Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to enable foreign transactions on your Dave debit card. If you don't have a Dave bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a $15 gift reward. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on the option that says Profile. Now, scroll down to the bottom. Under Dave debit cards is an option that says Activity outside the US. Beside it, you will see a toggle switch. Tap the toggle to on. A pop-up message will appear, asking if you're sure to turn on transactions outside the US. To proceed, tap on Yes, I'm sure. And now foreign transactions has been enabled. That's how you enable foreign transactions on your Dave debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.